This is my review of the Capresso Mini Kettle. A critical review. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, this is all that was in the box. I'm going to actually add the pictures to this review. But as you can see, the plastic kettle is no more than maybe twice the height of a coffee cup. And this is what you see. It's very lightweight. When you open up the top, you have the kettle inside. You have a removable filter that snaps on right there. And it can boil up to 16 ounces, which is probably a little bit more than this glass. You can measure it from 8 to 16, which is the max. Along the handle, you have the on and off button. You have the clip, which is actually to wrap the wire around. And then, of course, you have the on signal. I'm going to test out how fast it takes this to boil. And the plug is not that long, but fortunately I've got a plug right here. So this right here. That's a little tight. And what we will do, is I'm going to time this. So let's get this set up right here. See if we can see that. I've got the timer right there. And open this up. I'm going to fill this. Let's close this lid and hit start. And see how long it takes for this to, when this is on, that's on. As you can see, we're approaching 1 minute since I've poured the water in and turned this on. And usually these mini kettles are very fast. It can boil water, I believe, under 3 minutes. But we will see. Minute and 15 seconds. And I'd be interested in seeing how this either shuts off or lets you know when it's done. Approaching a minute and a half. There we go. It's actually it's actually not hot at all. Okay, we can see the light on here. See that? The light indicator. Approaching 2 minutes. Okay. And 2 minutes and 20 seconds coming up. There we go. We're boiling the 16 ounce 16 ounces of water. And I've got a glass cup right here, just so that we can see if it's done. Capresso, very small item. It's lightweight, but at the end of the day, it's performance. So we just passed 3 minutes. Says auto. Some of the features that the manufacturer puts on: up to 16 ounces capacity, eliminates water waste, boils faster and safer than any stovetop kettle. We're approaching 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Water level display with ounce markings, cool touch handle, and drip-free pouring. Heat resistant. Conceal low noise heating, dry boil protection, and safety auto shutoff and thermal shutoff. And Capresso is made by a company called Jura, J-U-R-A, and they're out of Montvale, New Jersey. So let's see how this is. We're looking at maybe the size of 2 small cups of tea. And this hasn't boiled yet, and we're looking at approaching 4.5 minutes. There we go. It's now feeling a little hot, and I'm feeling it boiling. 5 minutes. So going forward, if you want at least something for 2 cups of tea, maybe small, or maybe 2 small cups of coffee, you need the water for that. You're looking at the better part of 5 minutes. It's starting to boil now, and we're hearing it boil. It's now 5 minutes, and that's it. It just shut off. 5 minutes. And let's just say 5 minutes and 24 seconds. It shuts off. Okay. And let's see. Let me unplug this. Okay, so I've got a cup of tea there. It's actually, well, this is a big cup of tea. This is a very big mug. But it says 5:26. It took a second for me to stop it. So let's just call this 5 minutes and 24 seconds. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. So that's what we're looking at for 1 cup. Let's see if there's anything left in here. We fill this to the max. And put this down. A little bit of water left. So maybe 2 cups. More or less 5.5 minutes. That's my review. Thanks.